All right, Ryan, we are watching a lot this week. A lot going on.
Yeah, definitely. If you remember in January, it was cold, but we didn't really have many storms at all. Just a couple little rounds of snow. Pattern this month is changing, and thought I'd take a minute to explain why. First off, the jet stream is going to be farther north for the next couple of weeks, but also we have a bigger temperature contrast over the lower 48. Last month, cold air was all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Now we're introducing warm air, which means as storms ride along the jet stream, they'll be able to pick up moisture and probably be a bit stronger. And over the next couple of weeks, I think we'll have multiple chances for storms, and we're just seeing that now play out in our forecast for at least the next 7 days, and it could extend a bit longer than that through the middle of the month. Right now it's cold out there, cold air returning back into Maine and New Hampshire. During the daytime today it wasn't so bad, but this afternoon you probably felt the wind really kick up, and it's still gusting right now over 30 miles per hour and even to 41 miles per hour on the seacoast in Portsmouth. Temperatures are dropping into the 20s in central and southern Maine, teens up north, and they'll continue to drop all night long tonight. We'll have a mostly clear sky, and by tomorrow morning we'll start the day in the single digits and even below zero in spots. And you add in the wind to that, and at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the wind chill in Portland will be 3, 15 below in Bangor, 11 below zero in Lewiston, and well below zero tomorrow morning is how it will feel with the wind in the mountains and far north. Now during the day tomorrow, we'll actually have a lot of sunshine. It just will be ineffective. Wind coming in out of the northwest, sending down that cold air. So temperatures tomorrow will struggle to get out of the teens. We'll have highs near 20 over southern Maine and single digits to around 10 up north. Now tomorrow night it's cold again, and it will start out clear, but by Thursday morning clouds will be moving in, and while it's a cold start Thursday morning, it will be dry. And the tricky thing with this incoming system is the timing of it. No problems getting to work and school on Thursday, but snow will be moving in as the afternoon progresses, probably starting in Portland around noon and in Bangor around 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon. So this is probably going to be a situation where at least some schools opt for an early release and try to get part of the day in. We'll show you that here hour by hour. 10 o'clock Thursday morning, snowing over southern New Hampshire. By noon, that snow moves into southern Maine. By 2 o'clock, it's snowing in central Maine, and notice how it fills in quickly, and it's fairly cold. So the roads will get snow covered and slick. The evening commute on Thursday will be a struggle, but it is a quick moving system. So I think that over southern Maine around 7 or 8 o'clock, it's pretty much done. And then in eastern and northern Maine by about 10 o'clock Thursday night, this system will be wrapping up. We're looking at a pretty widespread 3 to 6 inches of snow. There could be a few places that get up over 6 in parts of central New Hampshire and western Maine, but I think 3 to 6 should do it for most of us, with a bit less moisture up over northern Maine. Friday is dry. It's going to be a bit breezy on Friday, and then Saturday will be dry as well. Next storm system comes in for Saturday night and Sunday, and it looks a little bit stronger. We could get several inches of snow, with most of that falling Sunday morning into early afternoon. Seas tomorrow, 3 to 5 feet with a northwest wind 15 to 20 knots, gusting a bit higher. Sunny and cold tomorrow, then snow moves in during the day on Thursday. The bulk of the accumulation during the afternoon and early evening. Breezy but dry for Friday and Saturday. The next storm Saturday night into Sunday. I think the timing of that one's a bit earlier focused in the day, but it may be a bit of a longer duration storm. So should be ending as the Super Bowl kicks off, but people trying to get around. There may be a lot of snow on the ground, so that will probably be the issue on Sunday.
And the few storms we've had have been quick moving. Haven't had like a prolonged storm this year.
Sunday one could be it.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.